Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. This could possibly be the easiest song you'll ever learn how to play, which would make it a great song to learn. So let's get started. So the guitar in the song is going to be a B major, and to do that it's a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string down, and then I take my middle finger and I lay it across the D, G, and the B strings. And an easier way, if you can't bend your 3rd finger like that, would be to take your small finger and just lay it on these 2 strings here. So 2, 4, 4 on the D, 4 on the G, and 2nd fret on the A string. And you could just play these 3 strings if you're having a hard time playing bar chords. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it moves into an E. And to play that, you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the D string, and then your 1st finger up here on the 1st fret of the G string. And you can just play these 4 strings if you want. So if you want to play along with the song, it starts out with this organ playing the Born in the USA sort of jingle. And then it goes through a verse and it goes through an entire chorus. And at the end of the 1st chorus, they start playing this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And those are the chords. What you need to keep in mind is it's a good song to play along with. You come in at the end of the 1st chorus. And then there's a part where the song sort of ends and there's a long drum roll. And if you watch the official video for it, this is a good thing to learn how to do. You can anticipate that drum roll and then it comes back in on the chords. And if you're just learning, that's really a good thing to learn, because if you're ever playing with some other people in a band situation, it's nice to coordinate your playing with the other instruments. In this case, it would be the drums. So if you watch the official video, it's really neat. You can, even though it's simple chords, when he comes in and hits the cymbals and comes back in on the chord progressions. And I think it's a great thing for a beginner to learn. And it's all down strumming. And so that's basically the guitar part in that song. And I've watched live videos and there's no less than 3 guitar players, including Bruce Springsteen, playing those 2 chords, and that's how they play it. So I hope you get something from it. It's a great beginner song and I hope it helps you out. So if it did, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.